As a hospitalist, we're used to seeing sick patients. And in a typical week, I might have one patient that doesn't do well with the available treatments for whatever their condition is, and have to make that tough call to a family that they didn't survive their hospitalization. I've spent more days on the COVID unit than not in the last 8 months. And there have been weeks where we've had 1 or 2 patients a day that I've had to make that phone call to. And those are tough calls to make. We don't want to have meetings about how many ventilators we have available or how many ICU beds we have available, or some tough decisions that may have to be made if a surge gets past a certain level at our hospital. But those are all can become a reality if these numbers keep going up like we're seeing. I have taken hundreds of histories of patients on the COVID unit, and so many of them start with social gatherings and family gatherings. Some pretty good guidelines as far as 10 people or less with social gatherings, 2 family households, a max of 2. I think that's a very smart thing to do. I think if you are gonna have gatherings, outdoors is a key. You can stay 6 feet apart. You can still see others. Masks if you can't be 6 feet apart. Masks when you're shopping, preferably not going to Black Friday or big groups that all get together. If you have to be indoors, still masks apart from each other, well ventilated when you can, as short amount of time as you can. Not crossing state lines, not traveling to different areas. That just increases that spread. I don't want people to think it can't happen to them, because I've heard that story way too many times on the COVID unit, that was the thought, it couldn't happen to them, or that they thought COVID was over, that this is nowhere near over. There is hope. There is absolutely hope. I know most people have seen vaccine data. We have hope, but it's not here right now. What I would encourage people to know is that our community is our hope right now for the healthcare system. So what I would ask on behalf of my colleagues and I, this holiday season, social distance, wear a mask, wash your hands frequently, avoid large gatherings, get creative. Don't have gatherings and holidays as usual, because you literally could save a life.